The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, the Yug group of forces, aviation and artillery have eliminated up to 120 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 motor vehicles, 2 uraganable RS vehicles, and 1 D-30 howitzer. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational tactical aviation and artillery of the Vostok group of forces carried out attack against Ukrainian units in the areas of Ugledar in Donetsk People's Republic, Levadnoye and Orekhov in Zaporozhye region. In these directions, the enemy has lost up to 50 Ukrainian troops and 2 pickup trucks. In the Kherson direction, over 25 Ukrainian servicemen, 4 motor vehicles and 2 D-30 howitzers have been neutralized by fire. In total, 402 airplanes, 221 helicopters, 3,457 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,330 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,066 combat vehicles equipped with MLS, 4,381 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,996 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 880 servicemen in a single day. In total, Kremlin lost 164,200 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,511 tanks, 6830 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. Ukraine also published footage of border guards' mortars crews destroyed an enemy assault group from Russian. And they also demilitarized the advanced detachment of the Wagner infantry fighting unit with a well-aimed shot at an ammunition cache.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!